Y'all, I placed this order September 9th. Do y'all know I didn't get my package until the end of September?
Bye.
What's up, boss babes? Today I have a huge unboxing for you guys. Okay, Igel Beauty, they had a huge 60% off sale, so you know your girl hopped on that. And then also Shein. And you see that piece of paper, girl? This is not clickbait, honey. I have 55 items alone just from them. Okay, let's get right into this video. Okay, so this first item is a bedazzled little brush holder. I thought that was really cute. The second item is a little facial kit that they had on there. I didn't expect it to be that small, so that was kind of disappointing, but it was cute, I guess. Next is my manicure bowl, and the bowl was not supposed to be red, but whatever. Next is another little makeup holder. That one is sequins. It was cute. And then this was the last makeup brush holder, or just a brush holder in general, that I had. So I had those three. This is a massager, and y'all, this thing feels so good. Look how it's pulling that skin, and it's not like really tight or anything. That thing it feels so good. Next, this is the little dryer to do eyelash extensions. That is some hair clips, and as you can see, they did come opened. That is to mix polishes. This is some nail tips. Those are the stiletto nail tips that I got. Next, those are the square nail tips, and I like this package better because the outside was numbered. That was just better for me. Next, those are the little glue things for eyelash extensions. This, y'all, look, my fucking glitter spilled. Why would they send this to me with spilled glitter? Then those were the little nails for me to do swatches for all my polishes. And, you know, my acrylics and stuff of all that jazz. Those are the swabs for eyelash extensions. That I was really excited about. That was really cute. That's a little dust brush for nails. It was bigger than expected. Those are little pink towels for me to do nails on, or just to work on in general. I can use them for makeup as well. Just a pack of little rhinestones. Those are disposable buffing blocks. They're the mini ones. This was for makeup, a little like palette for me to mix concealers and stuff like that, and it came with a little spatula. Those were the disposable toe separators for pedicures and polishing toes. This I was actually really excited about. I was waiting on this. This is a wax pot. Shein has wax pots, y'all. It's only $19. It is small, but it's not one temperature. And it was really cute. I can't wait to try it out to see how it works. This is one of those little pouring things. I don't really know what it's called, but look. Really? Really? But I fixed it, so I guess you just had to hold down. All the shit was cheap. This is a makeup brush cleaner. This is a mirror to look at when you do eyelash extensions. Y'all, I have this thing where I think I'm gonna do eyelash extensions. I don't know. More rhinestones or crystals, whatever you want to call them. They're flat backs. All of them I got are flat backs. Little butterflies, silver holographic ones, gold holographic ones, some galaxy paper, and these are foils. I mean, not foils, but they come in different colors. So here I'm just showing you all the colors that they come in. It was just like little squiggles, I don't know, like little stickers, nail stickers. That's what all of those are, nail stickers. Those are little cherry decals. More butterflies. Some Halloween stickers. More holographic. Those were flames, and that was just little stuff like flowers and hearts. Y'all, this I was so excited about. Look how little it is. So I thought I was going to be able to put my acrylic in it. Y'all, it's squishy, and look how small it is. That was very disappointing. I hated that thing. More little rhinestones, some red ones, more glitters, more little rhinestones. And then these were some Christmas stickers. And y'all, that's it. Don't forget to tap that notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.